Deprived Productions, a land deprived prototype, playthrough number 2, show off, whatever. I'm about to show you guys some of the artwork we've been working on. I'm not going to show any more of the battle system, just like some of the world. You know what I'm talking about? I got a little bit of a world here, and you're going to see some frame rate problems because I'm trying to run all this, and I'm trying to run it in UE4. It's not packaged and open broadcast, but yeah, check it out, guys. I got a guy over here. He's whistling. That's me whistling. I did that. Like it. Anyway, I just got this world here, guys. I got some different foliage, some stuff going on around here. I got some stuff, some little trees. You know what I'm saying? What's going to happen is you're going to talk to this cat. Things are going to happen. That door's going to open, bro. Did you see that? Let's go. All right, let me show you guys what's going on in my world. Just showing off a few things. I got a couple little girl up here you could be able to talk to her. I got a little puppy dog over here hanging out. You know what I'm talking about? Still need to work on the camera a little bit. Like I said, just kind of been working around. I got a little stamina ball down there in the left-hand corner. Little stamina sphere, kind of as you walk and running all that. But obviously, I got the enemies here, right? We got them chilling out, but I ain't gonna mess with them today. Like I said, I'm just kind of setting up the world. I'll show y'all more of the battle system later. You know what I'm saying? Got some stuff going on, different ways to go and whatever not. The enemies are definitely a little smarter now. They don't just follow you. They will go around trees and stuff like that, whatever not. So you got to be careful. And if you use all your sprint, they're gonna catch you. Oh, they're gonna catch you. Got a little something down there. A little something, big old statue of something. Something's going on there. Something to do with the story, right? We'll see what happens. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Got little hidden areas, bruh. Got little hidden areas. You know what I'm talking about? A little cave over there. Maybe something in there. Maybe not. What's that? What's that? You hear that? Y'all hear that? You hear a noise over there? What is that? You hear those? You hear is in piggies? You hear them pigs? Huh? That's right. I got little piggies. I got little piggies running around in here. And I got oh God, I still gotta work with the camera. Oh God. Okay, well, let's just keep going. Got a big old tree here, guys. A big old tree. It's just a tree. Just put it in there. Got the Taquito Village area here. Like I said, I'm still working with the camera. Got a lot of camera work I still need to do. Kind of set up the collision and all that good stuff. I got a real cool idea for it. Anyway, when you walk into the village, you'll notice some different music here. I'm jamming. Taquito Village. That's the name of this little place here. We're going to have some guys standing around. You're going to be able to talk to them and hang out. You know what I'm talking about? There's a little puppy roaming around here somewhere, but I can't find him. But he's in here somewhere. Anyway, yeah, just the village. Like I said, still need to set up several things, but got a little area here. You know what I'm talking about? You walk in. And you can walk right back out and boom, and it'll load the music. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Got a big old hole in the world here, but there's a rock in the way. What's that mean? What you got to do with that, huh? Guess you'll find out later. The world outside will be full of chests, different items and different things you can get, and you'll find them in little hidden areas. You know what I'm talking about? Little places you don't know where it's at. You know what I'm talking about? Get down and dirty with it, or whatever people call it these days. There's Taquito Village over there with the big fence. This is like the elder's house. He's gonna be out here just chilling. He's gonna be out here hanging out. There's a little tiny path out there for no reason. I don't know why. We'll find out later. But yeah, he's got a little crib out here. I'm still working on trying to make it look pretty. You know what I'm talking about? A little foliage, a couple trees, them stone things, whatever in the world they are. Like I said, I apologize for the camera issues and the frame rate issues. Just getting some of the artwork done before we jump back into system management and all that good stuff. Oh God. If you're running out of stamina, it's it. They're gonna catch you. You know. And the way the battle system is gonna work is you are not gonna be able to escape the battle, and that's why you're allowed to run away from them. You know, because if you get caught, well, it's your problem because you had the ability to get away from them if you used your stamina correctly and blah blah blah. And of course, there'll be other skills and stuff too that haven't been talked about just yet. You know, coming up later. Got a little graveyard built down here, a little area. You know. Little people die, you know, when they die, they little graves, because you know that's what happens when people die. It's a little tiny graveyard, just add a little effect, no big deal. Maybe there's a big deal there, maybe there's not. I guess you'll find out later. Got the lake down here, bro, huh? You got the old lake. Got some stuff to do down here. Got a couple different paths. Got a couple different things you can do. You know what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna show you a bug. Right here, I'm gonna show you a bug. You can jump into the water and go swim and all that, and the music's supposed to change. It's supposed to be like a softer music. I kind of got the idea from Mario, so it's kind of like more of a piano song. But for some reason it disappeared. But we should still be able to run around underwater. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's all It's awful quiet down here, guys. We got this underwater world I'm working on. I apologize for the dead silence. I got a little octopus. What's in my octopus? You know what I'm talking about? Got little fishies. Okay, there's fishies everywhere. Little guys floating around. More octopus. Okay, all kind of different stuff. It's, like I said, still working on it. Still doing several things here. The school of fish is somewhere flying around here. If we can find that bad baby, don't know where it went. Don't have time to look for it. But yeah, this is you know, the little underwater area. There'll be some stuff to do under here. Different things like that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, checking out this second playthrough video. It is not going to be long, and I'm going to have a playable demo for you guys. Just want to set up some more of the system. There is definitely some more artwork to show off, but up in there and across there and over there. But I don't want to show you everything. I don't want to show you everything just now. There's a lot going on. Just want to give you a little sneak peek of a more artistic environment. For y'all that watched the first playthrough video, you probably noticed that it was literally just the landscape and me running around testing out some battle theories and stuff like that, and battle systems and nonsense, and they definitely still work. We've got more than one character now, so things are getting exciting and different enemies and stuff. You'll see all those, but again, I didn't want you to see everything just yet. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Go subscribe to the Deprived Productions channel to keep following along with A Land Deprived, the prototype that'll be free to everyone. Subscribe to the channel so you can play it. I'm going to give it to you. Y'all can jam it out, have some fun, and then we'll all talk about it and we'll learn from it. And I'm considering even giving y'all the project, the UE4 project, so you can see how I did everything. So thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Miss you guys. Josh again with video number 2 of A Land Deprived. Again, it won't be long. I'll show a third one, and then maybe a fourth one, or maybe I'll just release it and say, have a blast. You know what I'm talking about? We got a lot of stuff to do, some voice acting coming up to work on. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Just a little sneak peek. Until next time, peace.